afternoon, teaching the classmate. My name is Tania Mesa Rodriguez. Today I want to talk about what would you like. Let's start. Conversation in the restaurant. This is waiters, this is customer. May I take your order? Yes, I would like a hamburger, a large of French fries, please. All right, and will you salad? Yes, I have a mixed green salad. Next. Okay, what kind of dressing would you like? We have vinaigrette, Italian and French. Italian, please. And would you like anything to drink? Yes, I like large soda, please. Next. Good morning, lady. I can take your order. Yes, I would like coconut with fish and salad, please. Of course, miss, would you like to see the deck menu? It is not necessary. I will only drink apple flavor, please. Next. Okay, lady, with pleasure. Oh, it's fine. Everything was delicious. When you bring me the beer, please. Of course, me here you job here. I hope you like it. Thank you very much. Bye.